of age, proud to represent Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Ang ganda ni best friend.
This is Delmar Ogriba, 19 years old. I'm proud to represent the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
A great lady deserves a genuine smile. This is Lynn Miliape, Avocado 17, representing 11th